IKEA has the best tea towels, and they are only 79 cents. Cannot beat that. I'm going to get me a couple more of these because these are awesome when you make pumpkin rolls. They have great deals on cutting boards. And they have the stuff to clean your cutting boards, so you can buy it all together, which is fantastic. I'm trying to maneuver my buggy around. It's very busy in here today. And then they have all these really neat things. This makes me want to organize and change things up. And it makes people in my family very nervous. Are you nervous?
It makes the dog nervous.
You can get brushes. How much are these? I don't even see the price on these. They got all kinds of little things that you can get. Things to pop up your cookbooks. Decorative things. These hanging things are awesome. And then they sell hardware. And then I'm going to go on. I'm here to look at some silverware and some things like that for my kitchen. Curtains be pretty for Ella. I don't think you guys can see them because of the lighting. But here we go. They're pink. Isn't that pretty? And then the bed is white and pink. It's like a day bed. Well, you can't come to IKEA without having a slice of their cake and the coffee. So we're having cake and coffee. And that's what we're doing today. Share with you guys what I purchased from IKEA today. And I bought some bibs for Skylar and Ella so that I would have a set of bibs here for when they're eating. If you hear clanging around, it's because people are fixing food. So we got this one that has the cute little birds and just cute little things on it. And then this one, which is pretty. And then we have this one that has little stars on it. And it has the little pocket here. You know how they drop food all the time? So it'll catch it. And this one here. Isn't it cute? I just thought they were really adorable. And they're very affordable too. They're not very expensive. The bibs on the top are a little bit bigger than the ones on the bottom because I think that these will fit Skylar. You know, if he's eating spaghetti or something like that, he can put one on while he's sitting in the high chair. The other thing is that I bought a high chair from IKEA. It's this one here in the picture. But I hadn't bought the cover for it. And I've just been using it without the cover in it. But today while I was there, I went ahead and I purchased the cover. And that way it might be a little bit more comfortable to sit in for them. And it might hold Ella in a little bit better because she's not quite sitting up on her own. But I think that it will make her a little bit more snug in there. That way, you know, because I usually tuck a towel in like right here in front of her to kind of hold her in there a little bit better. So she could sit in there while I spoon fed her baby food. So yeah, I got a cover for the high chair. I got some plastic bowls. These are just little multicolored bowls. I thought these would come in handy. While I was gone, the funny thing was when I was on vacation, Ashley was house sitting and Skylar broke a dish. And she was all upset because he broke a dish and thought I would be upset about it. And somebody said to me, "You've had those dishes for 20 years. I'm surprised you didn't tell her to let him break all of them, so I have to buy you some new dishes." So I thought since he was breaking my dishes, I would get him some little bowls that he could use while he's here so he doesn't break anything else. Got a set of tongs for the grill. These are nice heavy set. They're pretty big tongs. Got a couple tea towels I showed you in the store. This is a really good find. I find that the quality is really good, and I use these all the time when I make my pumpkin rolls. I also use these when I cover my bread dough or my pizza dough to let it rise. I feel like they wash up really well. And for 79 cents, honestly, you cannot beat this because I have been to other stores and towels like this are very, very expensive. So I bought let's see, I bought 2 of those. So I have some more in my kitchen that's just like this. And the red and the white actually match my kitchen, so that's cool with me. And yeah, so for 79 cents, I thought that was pretty good. I got a new candle. This one here is my favorite candle from IKEA. There used to be a company that whenever I first got married, I used to buy candles from them, and they were not cheap, and they were sort of peach scented, and they were strong, and they lasted a really long time. And this candle here reminds me of it, and it does not cost nearly as much as the peach candle that, you know, I was using. Of course, it's not peach, but it smells a lot like it. And I love the IKEA candles because they really do, you know, carry the fragrance for a long time when they're lit. And I like to keep these in my bathroom and in my kitchen. And I probably don't light them as often as I used to because I have little people in my house now. But when it's just me and I'm here by myself, or you know, it's my friends that are coming over, I always light candles because I just love the way that they smell. Some more candles that I bought. I got these, and these are just sort of like pillar candles. These smell phenomenal. Like when I found them, I was like, I'm buying those. Those smell so good. I needed some new ones for my sconces in here in the living room, and I'm just gonna change the white ones out for these. They smell so good. So if you're at IKEA, look these up, because they smell so delicious. So I got those. First thing, Skylar came over a few minutes ago, and the first thing he did was pick these up, and I was like, oh, leave those alone because he'll break them and I'll never see them again. So I got some baby spoons as well, so that way Ashley doesn't have to worry about making sure that she packs hers all the time. And I have a couple here on hand. They were under $2, so I got a couple spoons to go with the bowls, and that way I have something here on hand to feed Ella. And then something that I needed so very badly was some new silverware for my kitchen. You guys know I like to have company over. I like to sit at the table. I like the family to eat together. And so my silverware, I do not know what happened, but it has become very sparse. But John moved out, then he moved back in, and he had some of his stuff, and maybe some of my stuff got mixed in with his, or vice versa. But anyways, my silverware needed to be replenished. And I found these. I thought they were really pretty. That little design on the bottom. These were $20 a set. So I bought 2. There's the second one. And I just thought they were really good value. The box is pretty heavy, so I think that they're nice and good quality. And I thought that they were really pretty. So some new cutlery was a good deal. And then I couldn't not get me some new plates. I just said that my plates that I have, I've had for 20 years, literally. I have not bought new plates for the kitchen for 20 years. And so it was time. I wanted something very springy / summery. And I don't know if these are coming off well in the camera, but they're like a light blue and white. They're very summery looking. And then these are the smaller plates. I just thought they were so pretty. So anyways, I got a new set of dishes and a new set of cutlery. So now all I got to do is do some fantastic cooking and I can have some people over, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I bought from IKEA. I hope you had fun coming along today. I hope you all are having a blessed day and enjoy. So I will be talking to you all again soon. Let me know if you see anything new at IKEA that catches your eye. I love going there. So, you know, comment down below. Let me know what you guys see that might be new. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you like these types of shop with me videos, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye, guys.